Hi guys, I wanted to share with you a product that I have been obsessed with recently. It's the Visibly Microbiome Age Defense Cream. This product helps to repair the skin barrier while supporting your skin's natural microbiome. What is a healthy microbiome, you might ask? Well, a microbiome is your skin's natural shield to protect it against environmental aging. Now, we all commute, we all live our daily lives and go out into the environment, and we need something to really protect against causes from skin damage or anti-aging or dullness, loss of elasticity, all those things that, since I'm 30 now, I like to worry about. And this product does just that. So my favorite part about this product is actually the texture and the way it feels. I simply apply a dime-sized amount to my fingertips and I just let it melt. The texture goes from solid to cream instantly. It feels so luxurious and so beautiful on the skin. I like to apply it to cleansed skin, so after I wash my face, I go in immediately with this moisturizer all over and even down to my neck area. It's a game changer. So you guys, I've been using this product now for a little while and I have to say it's incredible. First of all, my fine lines have visibly reduced, and when I go outside for my daily commute, it really does feel like my skin is defended against and protected against environmental damage. So this is a winner in my book.